All right, I'm out here on a beautiful day. Yeah, I got some rubber bands on this bad boy. I didn't put clips. Oh, that's a nice jump. Let's do that jump again. I don't love the oversteer of this bad boy, but that is the way it is. I get my mind off of things. I come out here and I do a little jump. Yeah, I love that one. Got some good air on it. The only thing is I can't get the forward like that. And that cost me a ride because I guess the battery disconnected. So let's come over here. Let's see what happened to the battery. Look how fast rubber bands are, man. Not sure what happened, but everything's running. Everything's connected, so let's just take off, reconnect, turn on, and go for a ride again. That is a wacko one. Woohoo, man. Look how fast his body goes on, just like that. Oh, rubber band broke. Lucky I got another one. If this rubber band breaks on me, that's the end of my ride. Look at that bad boy. Off we go. I'm sorry if you couldn't see it. You gotta love camera angles. Go for it, baby. Woohoo! This is the fun. Walk, crash, ride. Walk, crash, ride. Did I say that right? Ride, crash, and walk. Oh yeah, how many flips did I do on that bad boy? 3S, maybe 3S will cure it. I'm gonna go down and I'm going to go full speed. Woohoo! Just like a GoPro, man. Give a little crash and you can't handle it. I had to turn it back off and on, and that cured it. Now this is like any other fun. But when you have these little headaches that nobody mentions on jumps, what are you gonna do? Cry about it? Nobody mentions this. Nobody mentions this at all. Hey, I'm Fish, and I'm letting you know that the Deerc H16. Hey, I'm Fish, and I'm letting you know that the H16, you know, it ain't gonna do the survival of. Woohoo! And when it crashes like that, it don't start. It don't continue. You know what I mean. But it is a very rugged machine for $95. Don't pass it up, man. Don't pass this up. But I thought I'd come out here and go have some fun. And the problem is, every time I'm going to have some fun riding it, it just shuts off. Nobody mentions that on their videos about this vehicle or the vehicle of these choices. Well, I had my fun, my short fun. I did come out here for other things. I wanted to go get just a little ride. But it is time to pack up. Now that was one of my top 5 or 6 or 10 picks, but not you know what. And here we are. Just say, hey, I can't put it on my list if it has that issue. So I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.